Ever wondered how to import cheap products from China? Well, you're not alone. It can be a bit of a puzzle with a lot of questions swirling around. Don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of importing affordable goods from China. Stay tuned. The first hurdle in importing cheap products from China is finding a good supplier. A reliable supplier is key to a successful import business. Websites such as 1688.com and Alibaba.com serve as excellent platforms to find potential suppliers. These sites can be translated into English, making navigation straightforward. Searching for specific products is as simple as typing the product's name into the search bar. Once you've identified potential suppliers, it's time to compare prices. Remember, a good supplier provides quality products at competitive prices. Now that you've identified potential suppliers, it's time to compare prices. Look for similar products across different suppliers. Remember, rates can vary based on quantity, so always check prices for different amounts. It's wise to shortlist 3 to 4 suppliers for your product. Next, obtain their WhatsApp or WeChat numbers. These platforms are commonly used for business communications in China. With the supplier's contact details in hand, you're ready to start communications. Remember, good negotiation starts with thorough research. Communication is key when it comes to importing goods from China. Engaging with suppliers is more than just discussing pricing. It's about building relationships, understanding their operations, and clarifying your needs. WeChat is a popular app in China, and it's a great platform for these conversations. Simply install it on your device and start chatting with your suppliers. Don't hesitate to ask questions. It's important to understand every aspect of your potential deal. With clear communication and careful research, you're well on your way to successfully importing cheap products from China. Importing cheap products from China may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Remember, the key is finding a reliable supplier, comparing prices, and maintaining clear communication. Don't hesitate. Take the leap and start your import journey now. With these steps, you're well equipped to start importing cheap products from China. Good luck!